Once your DKN WServer has been installed and associated, you only have to access it with your email address and password to start controlling your system. The installations associated to your account and which you can manage are displayed in the first window. If your installation has a single server, when you select it, you will immediately be able to control your individual AC unit and the features of the zone in which it is found. The functions that can be controlled are on and off, temperature control. You can manage the set point temperature according to your needs by swiping to the left or the right. Operating modes selects the operating mode of the AC unit from among those available in the installation. Airspeed allows you to set the level among those allowed by the AC unit. Slats position controls the operation of the AC unit slats. Scene controls the behavior of the AC unit. You can select occupied, this is the default status of the AC unit. Unoccupied, by default this turns off the AC unit if the room temperature reaches the temperature limits configured in the unoccupied settings. The AC unit will switch on to keep the temperature within these limits. Auto power off turns off the AC unit once it has reached the time limit set in the AC unit settings. If you have multiple DKN WServer in the same installation, when you select it, you can observe two levels of control. That of the installation, from which you can fix certain parameters for the whole installation, applying them in all the systems at once without having to go to each one of them. And on the other hand, the control of the individual AC units. From here you can control each individual DKN WServer independently, applying the features only in the zone in which it is located. In the mobile view, you can turn the AC unit on and off without needing to access it. Click on the desired DKN WServer to display the remaining functions. In addition, the DKN WServer provides weather information about the place set as the installation's location. Click and the menu will be displayed. If your AC unit gives an alert, this can be viewed through your app. By clicking on the installer field, you can notify the incidents via email or by phone to your trusted installer. It will return to its normal status once the problem is solved.